Good morning, everyone. It is I think it's a dark, grey, wet day here today. I can hear water dripping outside. We'll look at it in a second. But fortunately, today is a travelling day. We are off to a town of Sainte Anne de Monts, which I think is Sainte Anne of the Mountains. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, it's the gateway to a national park here in Quebec that we're going to go and visit. So, bus doesn't leave until 12:30, I hope. That's what I've been working off anyway. And I really hope I don't need to print some tickets. I need to check that. But I need to pack because yesterday I did laundry, so everything is on the floor, but at least it's clean, or it was before I put it on the floor. Then obviously have some breakfast and get the day started. But let's take a look outside and see what the weather is like. Moment of truth. It's actually not as bad as I thought. It's a bit damp, but we can work with that. All right, as I said, let's go get some breakfast and get this day started. Yesterday I bought some new shaving foam, which turned out when I used it to be a little energetic. I have cleaned up from my overly energetic shaving cream can. The rain has, I know, it's not raining as much, but it's still raining. So time to get packed. And then we are definitely ordering ourselves a taxi. Ugh.
Please excuse my American eyes. There were roses where roses should be. And I can't help thinking of who I was. And how I always confuse what we have with love. You got my heartbeat thundering.
come about 150 kilometres or 200 kilometres, something like that, further north on the coast of Quebec. We're now basically in the Gulf of St. Lawrence rather than on the River of St. Lawrence, but we'll show you that probably tomorrow, I think. I have got myself quite a nice room in a motel now, and the reason we're in this place, which is, I can't remember if I just told you, Sainte Anne de Monts it's called, is because it's the jumping off point to a national park. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the tourist information centre here, find out the details about how I get there. It's about 40 or 50 kilometres inland. I've got somewhere booked to stay there, and then we're going to go and do some exploring in the mountains, and hopefully we don't run into any more snakes or any bears or anything like that. Hopefully it'll just be pretty. But for the rest of tonight, I need to go and get something to eat because I'm starving, and then I don't think we'll go exploring. Tomorrow the weather's supposed to be quite nice, but it's turned out to be quite a nice day here as well. I'll show you. We might go and look at the sunset. But anyway, first things first, I think I'm babbling because I'm hungry, so let's go get some food.
Didn't even really wanna go.
We were searching for a comet, just to crumb this world I wanted, begging to come. And if I had a little fragment, I could wish on stars, less stagnant magic. From the depths of this part, our rest too stretches way from afar. Imagine this world, a view from it all. She said, boy, you know it's all right here. See my face, you know why I waken. Free my brain, you know I'm forsaken. Oh my whim, won't you fall once more? I want you on my mind.
Made it back to the room after a pretty epic sunset. That was a really nice way to finish the day, actually, if really, really, really cold, but we are quite far north. Anyway, tomorrow we will eat earlier and get down there earlier and see all of it, because I think we only saw about half of it today. Anyway, tomorrow we shall explore this little town and finish organising the next stage, which I will tell you about, I guess, the day after tomorrow. Until then, I will say good night. I will see you in the morning. Good night.